Surprising ways to save on pet insurance. Many Americans are familiar with traditional insurance types like life, health, and car insurance. Since millions of adults already have these sorts of policies, car insurance is generally mandated by law. There is a general understanding of how they operate and how one can benefit from having a plan in place. There are other insurance types, however, that may not be as broadly familiar, but are still important and beneficial to have. Pet insurance is one of those types. Pet insurance provides medical care for cats and dogs, and sometimes other animals. In exchange for a monthly fee to an insurance provider, owners can rest easy, knowing that their furry friend has guaranteed medical care, and they, as owners, have the financial support to get through any illnesses or emergencies. To stay up to date with latest top stories, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video. Due to its unique position in the insurance landscape, consumers may not be as familiar with the ways to save on pet insurance costs. Fortunately, there are some simple and reliable ways owners can save without having to sacrifice quality or care. Surprising ways to save on pet insurance. Whether you already have a pet or are considering adopting or buying a new one, there are some surprising ways to cut pet insurance costs. Here are 3 to know. Consider getting a cat. If you don't yet have a pet but plan to get your prospective furry friend insured, then consider getting a cat. They're significantly cheaper to insure compared to dogs. With many pet insurance providers, you'll pay between $30 to $70 per month for a dog versus $15 to $40 each month for a cat. Cats are cheaper to insure than dogs because medical costs are generally cheaper for cats. Pet insurer Lemonade explains, while cats live longer than dogs, and while both will require vaccinations and exam fees throughout their lives, cats tend to have fewer medical issues. Many cats stay inside, so they're less exposed to risks that could lead to an accident or an illness than a dog is. Dogs are also more prone to hereditary conditions like hip dysplasia or issues with a cruciate ligament. Be cognizant of different breed costs. The breed of your animal can also affect the price tag. Some dogs are simply more expensive to insure than others. Ditto for cats. So do your homework so you know what to expect before securing a pet. For instance, a German Shepherd is more likely to need a medical procedure for hip dysplasia than many other breeds. English bulldogs and other flat-faced dog types can suffer from brachycephalic airway obstruction syndrome. BAOS. Abyssinian cats are more likely to encounter upper respiratory infections, inflammatory bowel disease and mycoplasma, all potentially resulting in higher costs. This doesn't mean those animals in question can't live long, healthy lives. Just know that their medical histories will likely lead to higher costs than if you bought or adopted a pet with fewer known medical issues. Ask your vet for help. If you're already a pet owner or have a previous relationship with a veterinarian you feel comfortable with, don't be afraid to ask for their opinion. Vets are familiar with a wide range of dogs and cats and their related medical histories. They can provide a more informed prediction for which issues your animal is likely to experience and which ones they do not. By using your vet to tailor your insurance policy, you can potentially save money by securing a policy only for what you need now or may need in the future. This way you don't end up needlessly paying for protections that aren't applicable to your specific pet.